Okay, hello, teacher Nancy Pais. My name is Jessica Silvana Marin Gonzalez. I am 34 years old. I am in English 3 with teacher Ingrid. It's 5188008. Okay, the description of my family. Okay, my family, my first of all family is my husband. I have 2 kids and 2 dogs. Um, my husband is very handsome. It's tall. He's an industrial engineer at UNAD. He graduated this year. I have 2 kids. My one of them is Sebastián Hernández Marín. Sebas is 9 years old. He's in third grade. The second one is Nicolás Hernández Marín. Nico is 7 years old and he's in second grade. They are so sweet. They are very honest. They are the perfect surprise from God. Okay, I have 2 dogs, my Kiara and Aslam. They are a big dogs. We love it so much. A description of the places that I like to frequent. Okay, I love to go to Modelo. Is a place that sell different kind of ice cream, but the base is on a yogurt. I love to go to Montañitas. Is a place very peacefully, and it's a place that you can go for rest and relax a lot of. I love to go to my mom's farm because I can relax, I can do different activities, it's more natural. My hobbies, I have different hobbies. I love, but I think so that there are not hobbies. They're like a kind of sports. I love mountain bike, I love volleyball. I am a picky person sport. I like to go to the gym. Some time ago I didn't like it, but for some description medic I have to go to do it. But well, I like it. Share details about one of your best vacation, including location and activities. Okay, my last vacation was on June, but I didn't travel it. I only had time for do house activities and families activities. So for me it was perfect because when you are a teacher you don't have enough time for your family. Just in the morning, at lunch, and dinner, and that's it. So for me it was the perfect vacation because I had time with my husband, with my kids, with my family. We did different activities. We went to the river, we went to eat some ice cream, we make some desserts here at home. Okay, if I compare this vacation with the last one, was totally different because in another vacation we went to the beach at Buenaventura. It was a different experience. It was different food, was different texture, was so hot, but we love it. But I think so that we are a family that loves to travel. But for travel, we have to save money first. This is all. I have to say that thank you so much for this opportunity because we didn't know what happened with the speaking sessions, but this is my video. I want to say it again that thank you so much for this opportunity. Bye bye.